What kind of bird is it? What's the
Osprey. You got mom sitting on the side. You got 2 3/4 grown chicks in the nest, and you got dad peeking over the light right over there. The next pole down. That's dad sitting there, mom sitting there, and the 2 babies peeking over the edge. Especially her, when she gets going, she'll do some loops. Been teasing the babies more and more. She'll come out, she'll do some loops, and she'll be about nest high and just fly over you. Wow. Go down, do some figure 8s, loop a couple trees, come back.
Kind of a showbird, huh?
Yeah, she's trying. They've been teasing the kids a lot more lately.
There he hops up there.
Yeah, there he goes. Oh, hey. Lordy! But if you see him compared to the adults, you know, they got the wingspan, but not quite the rudders yet, I guess.
Look at that flying.
He's going, watch me make these guys go crazy.
Oh boy.
I have a feeling that both chicks might be females. Might be a little early for me to be saying that, but I don't know.